Welcome to Daily Hustle YouTube channel. In this video we will be sharing how to make money with Digistore and ChatGTP. In recent years, online platforms and marketplaces have opened up countless opportunities for individuals to earn money from the comfort of their own homes. Two of the most popular platforms for making money online are Digistore and ChatGTP. Digistore is an affiliate marketing platform that allows individuals to promote and sell digital products, while ChatGTP is an AI-powered text generator that can be used to create content for various purposes. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore how you can use both platforms strategically to make money online. Getting started with Digistore. 1. Sign up for an account on Digistore. Begin by visiting the Digistore website and creating an account. Fill in the necessary information, such as your name, email address, and payment details. 2. Choose a niche. Select a niche that you are passionate about or have expertise in. This will make it easier for you to market and promote products within that niche. 3. Browse and select products. Explore the marketplace on Digistore and choose products that resonate with your chosen niche. Look for products with high commission rates and positive customer reviews. 4. Promote your affiliate link. Once you have selected products to promote, you will be provided with a unique affiliate link. Share this link through various channels such as social media, blogs, websites, or email marketing campaigns. Effective strategies for Digistore affiliate marketing. 1. Build a website or blog. Create a website or blog dedicated to your chosen niche. Use this platform to promote the products from Digistore, providing valuable content and information to attract potential customers and drive sales. 2. Create informative and engaging content. Develop high-quality content related to the products you are promoting. This can include blog posts, articles, videos, or podcasts. Make sure your content provides value, addresses the pain points of your target audience, and convinces them to purchase the products you are promoting. 3. Utilize SEO techniques. Optimize your content for search engines to improve your website's visibility. Research and incorporate relevant keywords, improve your website's loading speed, and ensure a user-friendly interface. 4. Leverage social media. Establish a strong presence on social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Engage with your target audience, share valuable content, and promote your affiliate links. Introduction to ChatGTP. 1. Sign up for an account on ChatGTP. Visit the ChatGTP website and create an account. You may need to provide basic information such as your name, email address, and payment details. 2. Familiarize yourself with the AI-powered features. Explore the various features that ChatGTP offers, including content generation, lead generation, content rewriting, and more. Get acquainted with the terminology and interface to effectively utilize the platform. 3. Understand your target audience. Identify the demographics and preferences of your target audience. This will allow you to create more personalized and relevant content using ChatGTP. 4. Explore the use cases. Discover how ChatGTP can be utilized across different industries such as marketing, e-commerce, blogging, and content creation. Understand how it can assist in generating sales copy, product descriptions, blog posts, emails, and more. Combining Digistore and ChatGTP. 1. Generate compelling sales copy. Use ChatGTP to create persuasive product descriptions, email marketing campaigns, and landing pages to effectively market the products from Digistore. Utilize the power of AI-generated content to attract and convert potential customers. 2. Create engaging blog posts and articles. Leverage ChatGTP to generate blog post ideas, research data, or even complete articles. Customize the generated content to match your writing style and upload it to your blog or website. 3. Enhance email marketing campaigns. Use ChatGTP to craft engaging and personalized emails that connect with your audience. Experiment with different AI-generated email subject lines, body content, and CTAs to improve open rates and click-through rates. 4. Improve content creation efficiency. Deploy ChatGTP to assist in content creation, brainstorming, and idea generation. Use the platform to save time and effort, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your online business. Conclusion: both Digistore and ChatGTP provide excellent opportunities to make money online. By leveraging Digistore's affiliate marketing platform and ChatGTP's AI-generated content creation abilities, individuals can optimize their earnings and build sustainable sources of income. It is essential to employ effective strategies, such as promoting products via a website, creating high-quality content, and utilizing social media marketing, to maximize your success with Digistore. Similarly, integrating ChatGTP's AI-generated content into your marketing efforts can significantly enhance conversion rates and engagement. Remember, consistency, dedication, and continuous learning are key to long-term success in these platforms. For a zero-skills method that pays me up to $500 per day, check out the description below. Until next time, keep hustling.